Good afternoon, my dear respected students. Today, again, we are supposed to revise the concept which we have earlier done. And today we are revise these topics which is displayed on the screen. One by one, we are supposed to do this in a practical way. Okay, my dear respected students, first of all, it's my humble request whenever we are supposed to perform any kind of practical which relates with a Python interface with a MySQL. In such case, first of all, we are supposed to click on a start button, type CMD, that is a command prompt, and we are supposed to type a command that is a pip list. And here it is. In our case, we are supposed to use the concept of PyMySQL. So name is appearing in my list. It means there is an interface in between my Python and MySQL. Now, I'm just going to close this. And my dear respected students, now I'm just going to open a program here. This is a program. Yesterday we have done that program in which we are supposed to create a table. मेरे बच्चों की मुझे आवाज आनी चाहिए जो भी मेरी बात को सुन रहे हैं. Now what we are going to do here, I'm just going to make a modification that t_d1. I'm going to create a new table, and I'm not going to discuss anything with this program because yesterday we have already discussed the same. Now I'm just going to hit the enter, and here it is. If 3 arrows or a message will be there, it means the table will be created. And we have also discussed that how we are going to display the structure of that yesterday. Now, in our context, now what we are going to do here is, I'm just going to open a program where we are supposed to insert values, some values within that particular program. And here it is. The program is this. Now, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. Pravji, देखिएगा. Rest, I'm not going to discuss that why we are using a PyMySQL, because yesterday or in previous sessions we have discussed the same. Now here it is. Different arguments will be there: host, user, password, and a database. Database, in our case, we are using a database that is N1. And here it is a cursor which is used to establish a link in between a Python and a MySQL. मेरे बच्चों, after that, what we are going to do here, we are simply going to write a MySQL queries with the help of a execute function. And here it is only one modification we are doing, that in spite of writing t_d, we are supposed to mention t_d1. Now, if you remember that when we are doing the same, here it is, one important function is there which is to be called as a commit. And I am already discussed the concept that what do you understand by commit and rollback with a practical example. Here it is. In that case, Keshav ji, what I am going to do, I am just going to insert some values within a table that is a t_d1. What happened now? It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate that what is the purpose of using a commit here. I'm not going to use commit this time. I'm just going to press the F5 and hit the enter. Again, there is a cursor and it says that our work is done. But kindly concentrate whenever I'm just going to open that particular MySQL prompt, command prompt. And here, what I'm going to do, DESC t_d1. t_d1. Okay, first of all, we are supposed to use a database, I think so. And the name of the database is N1. Again, what we are going to mention, here it is, describe a table that is t_d1. It means table is created, already created. Now what we are going to write here, select star from name of the table that is t_d1. And here it is, when we are going to hit the enter keys, the important thing which we are going to analyze is that why this writing that this is an empty set. Why so? Because we have executed something, but we are not imposed that thing to be written on a MySQL, and that should be done with the help of a function that is to be called as commit. आवाज नहीं आई मुझे? Commit. Very good, great. Now what we are going to do here it is, I'm just going to open this and make this active. Now what they are doing after execution of a bit of statements, they are going to impose that and they are going to write the content within a database. For that, I'm just going to press F5 and hit the enter. Again, the output will remain same, but how we are going to check here? Okay, this time what we are going to do here is, I'm just going to open this only, and in this program only. Otherwise, in MySQL, we can simply write the query select star. What we are going to do here, we are just going to make this, okay. अब मैंने क्या किया? I'm just going to make this a comment. Okay, अब मैंने कर दिया. अब मैंने क्या किया? What I am going to do, that I want to display the content with the help of Python in spite of using MySQL. For the same, I am just going to write C dot and EXECUTE. And what will be the statement for displaying the content? That is select star from name of the table. I'm just going to mention here select star from name of the table T underscore D1. Now kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. I'm not going to write anything. Otherwise, first of all, I'm just going to run this program and see whether some information is going to be displayed or not. And after that, we analyze if there is no output, then we analyze how output is supposed to be appeared on the screen. I'm just going to press the F5, hit the enter. Okay, nothing is there. So why the content is going to be stored in an object, but the content is not supposed to be displayed? Okay, in such case, what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, we are supposed to use the concept of a loop. For I in, the object will be C, Ramiji, and what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention that print I. You are supposed to display the content. Okay, no problem. Here it is. We are supposed to make the changes. Thank you very much. For I in C and then print I. Hopefully the content appears. I'm just going to hit the enter key, and the entire content of that particular table is supposed to be displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Very good. Now what we have done today, we have done that how we are supposed to insert the data, how we are supposed to display the data with the help of a Python. Next, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate. What we are going to do next. Here it is, next program, what we are going to open here. It says 8. Now, kindly concentrate. This program is also saying that I am supposed to enter something, but this time we are not supposed to write. We are using variables for writing the data. In such case, what we are going to do here, cursor till cursor, I think so the content will be cleared. I think so the content will be cleared. After that, this says that we having a variable that is a in which we are supposed to store something as a string, and that is considered as a part of a query which representing a SQL. What mentioned here? They mentioned insert into T underscore D1, which is the name of the table. And if we are going to mention here it is the different columns or fields of a table. Okay. After that, roll number, name, marks, and city. And after that, here it is a keyword which is to be called as a values and percentage S representing that now we are supposed to enter a string in that particular data, and how many fields or columns are there where we are supposed to enter the data? That should be 4. That's why we are mentioning percentage S, percentage S, percentage S, and percentage S. After that, we having a variable that is a data, and we are supposed to store that particular data within that. मैंने data को store कर लिया, and what we are going to do with the help of execute, this A representing a SQL query or a command, and this data representing the data which we want to insert within that particular table, and with the help of commit we are supposed to implement the same within MySQL. Mere beta, what I am going to do here, I am just going to hit F5 and enter. Okay, now again I just want to display the information here only. तो मैंने अब दोबारा क्या किया, मैंने यहां पे इसको कमेंट सेक्शन में डाला. आई एम जस्ट इंसर्टिंग विद इन अ कमेंट सेक्शन अगेन c.execute. स्पेलिंग्स प्लीज देखते रहिएगा एक बार, अगर मेरा कुछ गलत हो तो. सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम t_d1. okay, and after that we are mentioning for I in object, that is C, and here it is we are supposed to mention a I, and we are going to hit the enter key, and now the new content is supposed to be displayed, that is to be considered as a Gurpreet. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? yes or no? मेरे को नहीं आवाज सुनाई दी? yes sir. very good, great. now हाँ जी बोलिए, प्लीज बोलिए. okay, now my dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. What I'm going to do here, I think so we have done with a 7 and 8, I think so. Now we are begin with the 9. Okay, we are supposed to mention here it is a program number 9. okay, here it is. The important thing till date, or in this revision session we have already discussed that execute and commit right now. But here it is one important thing I'm just going to mention here. Kindly concentrate. We are also going to mention here execute many. It's my humble request. This is not a part of your syllabus. First of all, I'm just going to tell this thing. This is not the part of your syllabus, but otherwise I am just going to tell you that we can also use execute many if we are going to do the same. And here it is. Rest the content will be same. Only I am just going to make the modifications in a database N1. Here it is a table. We are supposed to mention t_d1. Rest will be the same. Roll number, name, marks and city. Content will be same. मेरे को कोई बता सकता है what is this data? ये है क्या? लिस्ट है, टपल है, या क्या है भाई? ये लिस्ट है, और लिस्ट के अंदर क्या है? टपल स्टोर है. And what we are going to do, in spite of writing execute, which are able to execute only one statement, we are supposed to use execute many. It means the entire data is going to be written in your table only once. मैंने एक बार इसको F5 प्रेस किया और मैंने जैसे ही एंटर हिट किया, मेरे बच्चों ने कहा कि सर ये तो चल रहा है. ठीक है, अब हम लोगों ने क्या किया, अब हम दोबारा गए किसके पास? MySQL के पास, और मैंने यहां लिखा क्या? आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेंशन हियर सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम t_d1 एंड द एंटायर डाटा इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. मेरे बच्चों को बात समझ आई? यस और नो? मेरे को नहीं आवाज आई? वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. अब आप कहेंगे सर थोड़ा सा आपने ज्यादा करवा दिया आपने, आप तो कह रहे थे कि आप 15-20 मिनट करवाएंगे, उसके बाद हमें मौका मिलेगा, जरूर मिलेगा. देखिए जरा एक बार. ओके, here it is, last program ch. We are supposed to open program number 10. okay, last thing but what we are going to discuss here, important thing which says fetch 1. मेरे साथ सब बोलेंगे एक बार जब मैं बोलूंगा fetch 1, fetch all. अब दोबारा रिपीट करिए. सबसे पहले क्या आया? fetch 1. फिर क्या आया? ओके, फिर क्या आया? fetch all. वर्ड से ही हमें समझ आ रहा है 1 का मतलब वो कितना डाटा रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा? 1. मैनी का मतलब जितना यूजर बोलेगा, और ऑल का मतलब एंटायर डाटा. ओके, नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक द मॉडिफिकेशन इन अ database, and in my database N1 is there, and in a table name I am supposed to mention here t_d1. great. And here it is, it says display is equal to c.fetch1. केशव जी, fetch 1 का मतलब क्या है? कितना डाटा आएगा? Only one data. Again there is a loop is there. I'm just going to run that particular and hit the enter key. एंड काइंडली कंसंट्रेट। आप यहां से चेक कर सकते हैं, अगर क्रॉस चेक आप करना चाहें, यू कैन क्रॉस चेक फ्रॉम दिस डाटा। कवलजीत सिंह की इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई। अब मुझे तनीषा जी ने बोला कि सर पहली 3 इंफॉर्मेशन नजर आनी चाहिए, 3 इंफॉर्मेशन। तो मैंने क्या किया, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक दिस अ कमेंट। मैंने यहां पे आया इस जगह पे, डिस्प्ले इज इक्वल टू सी डॉट फेच मेनी, और कितना बोला तनीषा ने, 3 बोला। मैंने 3 टाइप किया और F5 प्रेस किया, एंटर हिट किया। जैसे ही मैंने देखा तो आपको कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन नजर आ गई मेरे बच्चों, 3 आ गई। अब आप कहते हो कि सर नहीं 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 नहीं, ना तो 1 ना 3, सर सारे टेबल में जितना डाटा है सारे का सारा नजर आ जाए। तो मैंने बोला यार अब मैं कौन सा यूज करूं, थोड़ा सा गाइड तो कर दो, कौन सा करना चाहिए मुझे। फेच ऑल। मेरे बच्चों मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा, here it is, make this active statement, c dot fetch all। कवलजीत सर ने F5 प्रेस किया, एंटर हिट किया, और कृपया करके देखिए क्या आपको डाटा नजर आ रहा है, yes or no? Very good. Thank you very much for your kind participation. And now I think so that you all are supposed to do the practical on your computers.